The first thing that's important to understand is the purpose that your main line serves to your home. Your main line is what carries wastewater from your home to a municipal connection or a septic tank. Your first sign is if there are multiple drains in your home that are backing up. This can be your shower drain, your toilets, your kitchen sinks, or even your bathroom sinks. If this is happening, your main line is most likely clogged. The second sign is if you have sewage coming out of your sewer cleanout. The main reason for mainline clogs is because of unwanted material or foreign objects being flushed down the toilet. Wipes do not disintegrate, which is why they're considered a non-flushable item. They will clog your mainline, especially if you are flushing them during every bathroom visit. When your mainline is clogged, it can cause major issues within your home. Proper drainage is crucial to the proper functioning of it. The third sign is if there is sewage coming up from your floor drain. If this is the case, your mainline is most likely clogged and should be taken care of immediately. Lastly, if water is backing up into your shower when you flush your toilet, you should have your mainline looked at. This is another immediate sign that your mainline is clogged.